Your question is, which of the following rights can be enforced under Article 32 of the Indian Constitution? Your options are A. Constitutional rights, B. Fundamental rights, C. Statutory rights, or D. All of the above. Right answer is B. Fundamental rights. Your question is, consider the following statements. First, Article 301 is related to right to property. Second, right to property is a legal right but not a fundamental right. Third, Article 300A was inserted in Indian Constitution by 44th Amendment during the period of Congress government. Which of aforesaid statements is or are correct? Your options are A. Only 2, B. 2 and 3, C. 1 and 3, or D. 1, 2 and 3. Right answer is A. Only 2. Right to property is a legal right but not a fundamental right. Your question is, which one of the following statements is not correct? Your options are A. K.M. Munshi was one of the members of the drafting committee of the Constitution. B. The Constitution of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly. C. The Panchayati Raj was recommended by Balwant Raj Mehta Committee Report 1957. Or D. The President of India is the guardian of fundamental rights under the Constitution. Right answer is D. The President of India is the guardian of fundamental rights under the Constitution. Your question is, the guardian of fundamental rights is, your options are A. Judiciary, B. Executive, C. Parliament, or D. None of these. Right answer is A. Judiciary. Your question is, under the Indian Constitution, who is the guardian of the fundamental rights? Your options are A. Parliament, B. President, C. Supreme Court, or D. Cabinet. Right answer is C. Supreme Court. Your question is, which one of the following rights was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Your options are A. Right to freedom of religion, B. Right to property, C. Right to equality, or D. Right to constitutional remedies. Right answer is D. Right to constitutional remedies. Your question is, which one of the following writs can be issued by a high court to secure the liberty of the individual? Your options are A. Mandamus, B. Quo warranto, C. Habeas corpus, or D. Prohibition. Right answer is C. Habeas corpus. Your question is, which one of the following is regarded as the protector of fundamental rights of citizens and guardian of the Constitution of India? Your options are A. The Parliament, B. The Attorney General, C. The Supreme Court, or D. The President. Right answer is C. The Supreme Court. Your question is, which one of the following articles was termed as the heart and soul of the Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Your options are A. Article 14, B. Article 25, C. Article 29, or D. Article 32. Right answer is D. Article 32. Your question is, under the Indian Constitution, who amongst the following is considered to be the guardian of the fundamental rights? Your options are A. Parliament, B. President, C. Judiciary, or D. Prime Minister. Right answer is C. Judiciary.